Partisan ako dito.
Bala lang, bala.
Hi, good evening. We're in Boracay.
So, question na siya yata. Hi, Adele. I'm your interviewer, Denise, and I'm going to ask you 10 questions. Number 1. One question. Ano ko question? We have a question for audience Nicole. Nicole, what's your question?
Hindi lang ko yun, no?
Okay, then Daniel. Question na kayo ng Mas ka ano lang, grabe, hindi mo natin ibutas sa internet. Wala mo question. What's your favorite type of Can you say that louder again?
Pop!
In K-pop or pop music?
Pop music.
What's your favorite song?
Song. The Lazy Song. Lazy
By-
Song by Bruno Mars.
Why do you like that song?
Because I like the music video. It's so cute.
I asked you the favorite song, not the favorite music video.
I also like the music.
Wow.
Like it.
Question from Nicole. What's your question, Nicole?
No question.
Question na lang, Greg, sa ano? Sige na. Question from Nong Greggy. Question din. Question na.
You love
Ha? Ang question kita nila, ano yung question?
Do you love who?
Ikaw, ya.
Anything.
Danelle has no fans. Goodbye.